Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Log. Digital says it has successfully priced its offerings of $1.99 billion in senior secured notes due 2032, co-issued by Digicel International Finance and DIFL US LLC. The 8.625% notes mark an increase of $440 million from the originally planned $1.55 billion. With the upsized offerings, Digicel has cancelled plans to issue separate senior unsecured notes due 2033 under its Digicel Midco Limited entity. The bond sale is expected to close on August 7, pending customary conditions. In parallel, DIFL is arranging a new credit package that includes US $750 million in 7-year term loans and a US $200 million 5-year revolving credit facility. These facilities are also expected to close alongside the bond issuance. The proceeds from the bond and new loans will be used to refinance existing debt. VM Group is reporting a strong growth for 2024 despite global economic uncertainties across key markets. At its annual general meeting, the group announced that revenue surged 40% to $14.8 billion, while net profit jumped 120% to $823.4 million. Group President and CEO Courtney Campbell says the result reflects the company's push to modernize, grow its customer base, and strengthen core business lines. VM Financial Group, which consolidates the results of its regulated subsidiaries, recorded net profit of $1.59 billion, a 174% increase over 2023. Meanwhile, VM Building Society posted $937.1 million in profit, with steady growth in deposits and loans. Looking ahead, the company says it plans to boost efficiency, expand digital channels, and deepen member engagement across all markets. All categories of fuel except cooking gas will decline effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 gasoline and 90 gasoline will sell for 78 cents less. Automotive diesel will see 25 cents being shaved off, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will also decline by 25 cents. Kerosene will cost 59 cents less. The cost of propane will, however, increase by 94 cents, while 65 cents will be added to butane. Each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petrojam. The JSE index advanced by 1,397 points, while the junior market increased by 14 points. The winners were led by Palace Amusement, Jamaica Broilers Group, Blue Power Group, Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Company, and Stationery and Office Supplies. The losers were led by Kintyre Holdings, Iron Rock Insurance Company, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Stanley Motor, and MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, 17 stocks traded firm. And foreign currency trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $161.26. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.39. The pound is going for $217.88, while the euro is selling for an average $186.49. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Logue. News from overseas after the break.